In this video, we will see how to open History page using Ctrl+H instead of History Hub pop-up in Microsoft Edge. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. By default, when you press Ctrl+H shortcut in Edge, the History Hub opens as pop-up in the toolbar. But if you want the History page open instead just like Google Chrome, then I will show you how you can do that. So, in the address bar of Edge, you need to enter edge://flags. Hit enter to open the flags page. Now, search for the flag name Enable History Accelerator to open full page option. Set this flag to enabled and then restart Microsoft Edge. Now, you will notice that when you press Ctrl+H, the full history page will show up instead. You can now search the history items and delete them from here as well. The History Hub can also be opened in the pop-up just like before, but via its dedicated button in the toolbar. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to check out other useful tech videos on our channel. Bye for now.